The game that we have selected will be Shiny, Sima on the right, CBC, central defenders.
Every time when I put the lineup, to be honest, of course it's hard, but I don't have any favoritism. You need to give a lineup with some players that able to answer to the stress, to the emotions of that game, because it's not only a game, it is a derby.
Impact players, Utelezi, Shabazzani, Dino, Dansin, Masindi, Ndaba, Andre, Tito, and Makhopa.
Coming to what people are saying, that Coach Wadu has favoritisms, he doesn't like this player, he likes this player. For me, it's a big no. The club has signed quality players in every department. But now it's up to you, as a player, whether you want to be in that starting 11 or you want to be outside. It all started training, you got to work.
Mina ngaqala ukusho ukuthi la kakhona makumazi vele kuyakhulunywa ukuthi ngefavorite ka Coach Wadu.
Favoritism is killing our players lapha ku-Orlando Pirates. Mabhakabhaka asikhulumeni, no lamtutu, no one is allowed la. Khona manje amabhakabhaka kuphela. If as of late you've seen how our players behave, you saw what happened when Utito was substituted after a game at Keswick Stars. You saw that he didn't want to talk to the coach. If you looked Guma stands when they showed the players, Talent Mbata didn't look happy. Urasibucha didn't look happy. Simpiwa Silepe didn't look happy. Kabelo Dlamini himself didn't look happy. The problem is Nginchelile when the season started that Owadu's squad rotation is not only going to just destroy the club, but it's going to destroy the players.
Umbatha umuntu engishare naye position. So kulula lento leyo ukuthi yayibona like izinto ezinjalo, but ngumbono wami nade wethi nasebenza ngakhona lapha ejimini, like akuna favorite umuntu.
I don't understand why the coach keep him so long. I understand the kanjani game because I watch him 3 games in a row. There's no energy. Lo mfana ngambona, ngimcomplimentile lo mfana. Ngambona when he started Orlando Pirates. He gave accountability umfana. Uyaphakamisa isandla mina simshale, but now I don't understand why I keep him. I think criticism is also good. You keep the player uNombule outside uNombule injury free. Play.
People were saying that Nemtajela Masindi is my son. All of players are my sons. They're my brothers. I love them. But Mbata was injured. What can I do? I will bring from the clinic a player and to put him on the bench because some fans love Mbata. I'm sorry.
Because I remember when the supporters, the fans were like, yeah, Talent is not playing, Makhopa is not playing, Masindi, Nemtangela is playing, Butuma is playing, but where's Talent, where's Makhopa? The thing is, the guys are injured, they have knocks, they are not 100% for these matches. Okay, jiggy, fast, here we come, Soweto, Derby, they are back. Yes, why are they back? Because they were having knocks and niggles, you understand? So the doctors, the physios, they were preparing them also for a major game like that, you understand?
In that time, I was injured. Yeah, I went to see a specialist before the Marumo game. And the specialist told me, Uti, I must do an operation. And it was a difficult thing to swallow, but because it wasn't the first time hearing this, I heard it before, and it wasn't really an operation of I'm gonna go out of months. So the doctor said you can continue playing, but only if you manage it. So going to Sundowns game, that's when the team decided that at least I should rest. So it was a difficult period of myself also, because whenever I tried training, I would actually feel some pain sometimes.
But I must be honest with you. I feel like Namtangela is being selected not on merit. The selection of Namtangela is not on merit.
Yes.
I don't know what friendship or relationship he has with Coach Wadu. Honestly, I don't know.
Yes.
I'm not trying to sound foolish or anything like that.
Ye kahle kahle lento leqale ngegame ngidlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. Kube nama message nyana lawo akumedia. Uyazi sesinama analyst kuma TikTokers no. Ya ngekhulunywa ukuthi akaphumi kunobani sicalwa into yokuthi kuya compare manje. So it's a thing ukuthi nami ngayithatha but ibisase light lento leyo. But then after lapho siyodlala neKaiserslautern the following game yakhona iNedbank. So like naleyo game le ngidlalile. And manje asathi ukubheka like ngidlale kakhulu lapho. Like ngiperforme kahle everything like ngiperforme kahle ne stats siyakhuluma nazo. So then after leyo game leyo kula like uqale yonke into lena yenzakala ku media like ukungihlasela staff ukuza kuma DM wami. So kula kahle kahle sengibona khona ukuthi kahle kahle lento yena ngathi baza kakhulu manje yabo like ngizovula ifone sengiyabona abanye bangidimile and whatever. But ngeke ngathi ukuhlala nyana nomuntu wami like nefamily yami angifonela ngaya kubo ngabukela sahlala nyana lapho sabasikhuluma. So like amazwi abangitshele wona abazali bami ukuthi uyindoda uthi ufuna ukudlala ibhola udlala koLorlando Pirates akusiwonke umuntu ozokuthanda usimali mangathi yathatha ukubheka lento lena mayizoqala isizini bengadlali mina ngijumpa amagame manje ngingadlali bonke abantu badlalile ama-new signings ngaze ngathola ichance leyo e1 ngayigrab leyo chance ngaperforma ngawina ama-hard like wama-assistant coach wami nalaba abaphezulu ama-manager nabo TD. So kwaba yilento leyo ukuthi manje mina mangidlala angiphumi. So maybe ilento le libele yenza abantu ukuthi babona ngathi ngifavorite ka coach because lento le mangathi yapheka mina mangizwa koLorlando Pirates ngize ngi1 lana bengazi ukuthi ucoach uyeza lana cala ukusayinwa mina koLorlando Pirates ucoach bamsayina after akuna favorite kimi no coach Wadu asikho close kangako akusu angeke ngithi ubabami like ucoach wami ukufana nabanye abadlali siyafana.
As a team, we have the same goal. There's no player who goes to the field saying that they want Orlando Pirates to lose today. So ngakhuluma no Masindi because they were attacking him in his social media and saying uyazilisa ngamtshela ukuthi mfethu. There was a time where I was also in the same problem with like you, where supporters felt like we're not getting results and I'm the problem. And you should continue playing football. There's no coach ozokufaka udlisela mfethu. That's what I told him, that as long as the coach still puts you in the field, just do your work because that means you are doing something right for us. We know you are doing something right for us. So unganaki ukuthi bathini.